If you have bad breath, one day do this. I guarantee it works. No matter how much you brush or use mouthwash, if the smell keeps coming back, you need this formula. It's natural, safe, and proven to eliminate odor fast. I know you might not have bad breath right now, but one day you'll thank yourself for saving this. Relief and freshness come in minutes guaranteed. But first, tap on the subscribe button below to get more videos like this. Download it, share it, and follow me for more powerful natural tips. Comment if you've ever felt embarrassed because of bad breath. If it's ever happened to you, here's what to do. Take 200 milliliters of warm water. Add 1 teaspoon of baking soda, then squeeze half a lemon. Add 1 teaspoon of salt to deeply clean your tongue and gums. Stir well and rinse your mouth for 30 seconds. Don't swallow. Repeat morning and night for guaranteed fresh breath. Share this with someone who needs it. But wait. I will tell you 3 everyday habits that silently cause bad breath, even if you brush your teeth every morning and every night. Most people don't realize they are making these mistakes. Mistake number 1, brushing your teeth but skipping your tongue. The tongue traps bacteria and food particles that brushing alone cannot remove. Mistake number 3, going to bed without cleaning your mouth properly. Overnight, bacteria continue to grow, leading to unpleasant morning breath. Here's an old tip passed down through generations. After rinsing, gently clean your tongue from the back toward the front. Many people use a tongue scraper, but if you don't have one, a clean spoon can work carefully. You may notice a white or yellow coating coming off your tongue. That's often a buildup of bacteria, food debris, and dead cells that can contribute to bad breath. Always be gentle. If the rinse feels too strong, dilute it with more water. If you have mouth sores, bleeding gums, or ongoing pain, wait and speak with a dental professional before trying acidic ingredients like lemon. The best way to keep your breath fresh every day is surprisingly simple. Brush twice daily, clean your tongue, floss once a day, drink plenty of water, and visit your dentist regularly for checkups. If you learned something new today, subscribe for more simple natural health tips that can help you take better care of yourself and your family. Share this video with someone who often worries about bad breath. It could be the simple advice they've been looking for. Thank you so much for watching. Take good care of your smile, stay healthy, and I'll see you in the next video.